you. Come on, guys, you gotta spot each other. Take care of your buddies.
Step on the hole and then you step your other foot like that, or you just get down.
Oh, there we go.
That's it. That's the way to do it.
Alright, put your foot in there. Okay, and then slide it over so that you have room for your other foot. Bring the other foot.
Guys, don't go too far down. Come on, stay up here.
We're just peeking.
We're gonna want to keep everybody together.
Part of the cave.
And then, yeah. Alright, now you gotta take care of that. So, you just up right here. Oh, look, a hole.
Is
Well,
it
the
deep?
people that feels like you're like crawling through a urethra.
That's it. Take care of the person behind you.
Once you get her spot, we'll go in there soon.
Take care of the person behind.
Very good, guys. Take care of somebody behind you.
Oh no, are we going
You can come in behind me here.
What other things are really tight?
Come on into this room.
It's like not fully.
Once we get everybody in here, then I'll tell you about this passage.
What's up, guys? I'm sitting right here. I always got.
Oh, it's gone.
Hello.
Is there like
You didn't
actual
say me.
Look, someone was playing tic-tac-toe.
Yeah.
Where? Right there in the butt.
waiting to be saved?
Is my light even on?
Let's not go up there right now, okay?
galaxies? I'll go through this.
Okay. Come on down.
Yeah, take
You really kind of need a spot. Anything that's above head height, you have to have a spot.
I want it to feel like I'm crawling through like an ear canal, like the devil's ear canal.
Yeah,
that like one of the
there you go.
segments?
There you go.
There we go.
It's a big lip.
Yeah, I could definitely fit that there for sure.
Yeah, whoever gets to take pictures, got to airdrop them to everybody else.
What'd you say?
I said everybody taking pictures got to airdrop them to everybody
Are we
else.
going down there?
If you want to. We want to get everybody down in this room first.
Michael.
Please don't hit each other, okay? That could result in an injury.
They didn't win.
There.
Just take a quick picture.
He's doing okay?
There's footprints.
I feel safe.
There.
Hey, so soft.
What's AP? What does that stand for? What does
Do you guys have a Facebook page or anything like that?
Mine does.
We do have a Facebook page.
What does AP stand for?
I have no
Access
idea.
point, that's where you get your Wi-Fi.
Hole in the wall.
All right, do we got everybody?
Yes, all present.
All right, this is, listen up. This is what we call the wishing well. Okay? Yeah, that's so close, yeah. Or what I say is you wish you weren't in there once you get in there. The hole here, you go down here, you have to kind of get on your side and squeeze in. It's tight about this far, okay? So it's not very far that it's tight. And after that, it's a belly crawl because it's maybe a foot or so high, but it's like 6 feet wide. And you can crawl all the way, belly crawl all the way to the other side of this big wall. Now remember I was saying there was a passage on that side of the wall, and this will meet up into that passage there.
And this is the bigger version.
Yes. This is the easy way. And listen up, guys, because so many people ask this, where do I go? You go into the hole, you make a right on the other side of the first rock. Then you belly crawl all the way till you can stand up. Once you can stand up, you make a left. And you walk down till you get to a passage that comes in on the left. Okay? Now, you don't have to do this if you don't want to. Okay? I used to do this 30 pounds ago. And I can't do it anymore. So,
If If you can't, I am not.
Yeah. So now I'm on the.
I'm going that way.
I'm following you.
It's the easier way for me. But if you want to try this, you stay with your buddy. Okay? Once you get down there, don't go taking off. Okay? Wait for your group to go with you. Okay?
What's the
Guys, don't mess up
consequences?
the
Try
pencil.
this.
Guys,
You
don't mess up
can't
the
do it.
pencil.
Yeah, seriously. Somebody's following you backwards.
Hang on, Garrett, repeat the instructions to him of what he said.
Ian, come on.
Yeah, go around the corner.
Everybody.
You take a right. You
Take a
crawl through
right,
the 6
crawl
foot thing.
under, and then take a
then you go
left.
to the left.
up. You
Left and then this big
Alright,
room.
wait, you're not
left.
very
And then there's a
convincing.
bigger
Tell me
Okay.
again.
Come on. Only one person down there at a time. If somebody has to back out, you got to give them plenty of room to back out. So let's come away from the hole. So if he has to get out, I've had people freak out and they have to get out really fast. So we want to be able to.
Yeah, because he might start to get like geeked out.
While you're done, can you grab my bag and pull it out so I can...
What do you mean?
Yeah.
I almost back up.
Yeah, no, this is looking a lot less appetizing.
Cool, it's for the experience, alright?
Yeah, you're right.
Like belly crawl.
Hey, if I freak out on video, that'll probably get him a ton of.
Yeah, we're trying to get this go viral, you know?
We're going. Yeah, we're going down there.
No,
Okay, and I understand.
I mean, Ian, you probably...
There we go.
Then you go find another side.
I didn't get the video going. You got to come back and do it again.
He's probably would.
Oh, he's doing it!
No, don't come back. Keep going. We're kidding, Garrett. We're kidding. Keep going. Let me know when the coast is like. When you think it's about.
Okay, once his feet disappear,
Garrett, how tight is it?
then you're clear. Okay?
All right, keep moving. Keep it moving, Lonnie. I'm about to do the
Hey, no.
Because they have to go
We already
with
caught
the
it.
Yeah, the big dude's out.
Not everybody talk at once, because then we can't hear.
Hey guys, listen.
It'll fit easier. We have to like.
There we go.
Yeah.
I should put my back.
You got that.
Alright.
I can make it work. I
See,
feel
he's
like
through the tough part.
I don't want
That's he's through the tough part.
Top part's just right there.
Yeah.
I drop.
I'm like,
Yeah, go.
I think I'll fit.
Yeah, yeah, no
I'm
problem.
gonna need that anyway, right? So I don't know if we're stopping sheets again.
Close them, yeah,
or- I'm taking half else.
Yeah.
I got to close that.
Oh no, wait, why did he ask that?
I totally forgot the bag one,
No.
and it was on my list.
Oh, and you going?
I just want to see
Brandon,
it.
are you doing this way?
Wait, after everyone goes, can I look
I was gonna say, the little
down?
guys definitely.
You can look down. If you don't like it, you can come back out. You don't have to do anything.
I'll go
Okay.
and like, I'll see
I have
it.
a
Oh, and you're behind me.
I know.
All right, who's next? All right,
After the big
do
guys
it.
is
I would have
me.
made mine orange.
After the
Mine's
big
like
guys
a
is me. Then
generic.
Then that.
Mine's like one of those square ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still.
No,
No,
mine,
rectangle.
yeah, mine's this big. It's tiny.
I have it on my ski helmet. but
Come on,
It
Cole.
doesn't have a screen or anything, so it's
Got a lot of praying going on
We have to
here.
go
Do
like
it.
that.
You believe in
Cole. He's got a
No, you
sideways
gotta go on your belly.
Yeah,
He's going sideways.
sideways is the best way.
Sideways is the best.
Yeah,
I need to see it.
It's not wide enough to go flat.
Oh.
You have to go on your edge.
you kind of have to go sideways and corkscrew.
Well, that's scary.
Once you're past the edge, then you flip over on your belly.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is it?
All right, next.
How tight
Go
is
for it.
This is just like when I send Garrett behind the dryer to get stuff.
Like, and you're behind me,
Yeah.
Brandon.
I said 800 the deck one time. I think I'm up like this. You get that
I'm
soft,
in
Garrett.
front of you because I was here, but you were
Alright,
never
Lakin,
in
it
line.
doesn't matter, you guys can all go.
I wasn't.
I'll let you go in
The
front
hole's
of you
gonna
the
be
next
there,
time.
believe
It
me.
doesn't barely far. I'm like, there's no way my shirt.
You can go on that this time.
I'd like to think of it, have you ever changed the oil in your car? Without a jack? This is what that's like.
Alright, I just did. Actually, my Honda changing a headlight.
Alright, if Cameron can do it,
Oh, yeah.
Cameron can do it. I
Yeah.
If anyone can do it.
Wait, how do you? Yeah. Oh, you just go like that? Yes. Oh, this is crazy.
Move back a little bit, just a little bit. So we can see, thank you.
See, I used to be a
trying.
very avid rock climber.
He's doing it.
Also 40
Oh.
pounds ago.
He's floppy fishing.
So like,
He's doing
my
it.
brain's like, oh, I can do
Fluffy
anything.
fish.
Yes,
It,
My
wait.
body's like, what's wrong with you?
my brain's still 30 years old.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's
Come on,
I
Kelly.
got
I'm
it.
doing
So
it.
that's
Rock
them
out
coming
now.
from.
Yeah.
It's echoing back
Your
over.
bear gloves.
Oh, through.
Alright. Anybody gonna comment on the bear gloves?
Where are you gonna go?
See, the trick is
We told Carrie to stop. Right?
you send Todd through first. If Todd can't make it, then nobody's making it.
That can make it.
I did it.
Okay,
There
I'm
we
at the
go.
brand.
Okay, that's
Doing
really
good.
spacious now.
Next.
Like a little.
You can do this.
I'm at the brand. What's it very
Don't go too
spacious.
fast though, because I want to follow your feet.
You wanna follow my?
He didn't even have to
Yeah, so I know where to
That's disgusting. That's disgusting.
The size of the leg. That's
That's my boy.
Scoot it on in.
How far does it go?
6 miles.
It's not that far, maybe 20 feet.
It diffused me.
Oh, and look at me. Nice.
There we go.
Why'd you poop your pants, Lagan?
He specifically said.
No, he said, are those
Go
his
for
school
it.
stickers?
Don't leave it in.
No, actually,
No bios.
they're my wife's work boots.
Oh.
Well, I guess there was somebody's at her work anyway. We'll put it at that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go.
I just rode by and take my car.
How do I do it?
You have to get on your side and lay flat down on the ground.
After every scouting.
Yeah, no.
No, it's okay.
Claustrophobic.
Yeah, alright.
No, that's not a problem. Anybody else want to try?
I'm good.
I want to. I'm not going to.
No? You want
Wanting
to
and doing are two
take a
different
look
things.
at it? No?
Let me take a look.
Take a look at it.
I couldn't even
I want to.
squeeze
Yeah, I do want to
myself.
see it.
Okay, we'll take a look at it. And then,
We don't go get that. Yeah, let's go.
Well, then you're committed. You're in. I think you're already going in.
I don't know. This is.
Just gonna sit on your butt and slide in.
I left the Crisco in the car.
Oh, Jesus.
I'll probably go with like the entrance.
getting down there's tough.
Yeah, that's not happening.
I just want to see it. It's not.
You have to start out going
no,
down first.
Well, you're committed now. You have to go.
All right. There we go. Anybody else want to take a look?
No, I'm good.
Take a look.
All right, we're gonna head down that way. We're gonna go over some rocks and stay to the right, and you're gonna stoop down underneath, and then we're gonna come out into another passage that's gonna meet up where they are,
Hopefully.
all those kids. Yeah, hopefully. We didn't lose them, I don't think. These guys are beat. Here we go.
Hi.
Did you go through there? Did you go through there?
There we go.
Why do you got the side light on? How'd that go, buddy? Is your battery dead on the front?
Good.
It was really fun. It was more fun. Yeah.
You realize you and Todd just like fit so easily through there.
It was so spacious.
You didn't even have to turn
You had to
sideways.
crawl. You
I
could
put
baby
sideways
crawl.
for the first part.
That's what I
and
did for something. He could baby crawl.
then-
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah.
Tiny hold of me.
What?
Surprise camera here getting there.
So Todd, this is
Where'd they all go?
They're
Going back to look
right
at
there.
Oh, we're going to the left, ultimately? Probably.
Yeah, we're gonna go down that way. Let me get out in front there so I can get them going the right direction.
Todd, watch out.
Alright, just checking.
Alright, going down.
Make sure whoever's last knows that they...
Wait, Mr. Kazelik, did you go through the tiny hole?
No.
He went that way.
I checked it out and none of the animals were doing it.
I fit.
He said 30 pounds ago, I'm quite a
you?
bit larger than him now, so that ain't happening.
Oh, is it worth it? Should I go back and look?
If it was for $1 million, would you do that hole?
Yes.
Well, yeah, because I can fit there.
Brandon
Yeah.
Todd
I
Garrett.
don't know if I can squish it.
I'm done.
Brandon Todd Garrett. Come here over here.
Squish in there.
He put a turtle in his face.
He's gonna what?
Where's your
Yeah.
A turtle?
He did a turd.
Turtles.
He had a turd and he put it on his face.
Oh, I found a little salamander over there.
Yeah, cool.
How'd it
Really?
taste?
I didn't see it.
It was in a hole.
I want to see the
Extra protein.
salamander.
Well, he ate
Well,
it
he was
already.
the first one through, so he,
Yeah, I ate it all.
they probably got scared by everybody coming through.
Well, I
It was
was
really
the
tiny
one.
though. It was like, I don't know.
Yeah, they're really kind of small in here.
There's
Yeah, I have to
that
call it.
climactic light sticks up.
There was a centipede that this long.
That's how you get over your fear.
Yeah, come up here.
Hello, everyone.
Ian, was
All right, we
Zoe
got
in the
everybody?
small space
Yes,
fun?
all good.
All right,
Yeah.
Yes.
I could baby crawl.
okay. Listen up here. Of the youth, who's in charge?
He's back there, Joel.
Hello, I'm good.
All right. We're gonna go down this way. There's some rocks here we're gonna climb over. Climbing down is kind of sketchy, all right?